A very good day, I bid to Mr. Lassie. My name is Nick Marisa, and I will be starting off this presentation about our statistics research on obesity rate worldwide. Start off with the introduction to our statistics research. Obesity is categorized as one of the top most health concerns worldwide. And this is because it is ever so present in first world countries and third world countries. It is basically everywhere. World Health Organization states that obesity rates have tripled since the year 1975. It has deadly implications to the health of an individual, such as contributing to the cause of heart attacks, diabetes, as well as shortening one's lifespan. Now moving on to problem and objectives. The problem we've identified is the increasing obesity rates in almost all countries worldwide, along with its health implications to every single individual. And the objectives of our statistics research is to analyze the data to see how rapid the increase went from recent years 2016 to 2022 to see how morbid the obesity rates have become over the years. Moving on to our literature review. What you see here is a very short summary of the 5 articles relevant to our study. WHO states that a concerning amount of 650 million adults and 39 million children were obese up to the year 2020. Adela Herby and Frank Behe PMC states obesity poses as a health obstacle and catalyst to chronic illnesses influenced by nutritional change, processed foods, and inactive lifestyles. Matthias Blucher states that obesity reached pandemic levels over the last 50 years, decreasing life expectancy and quality. Honor Whiteman states from the year 1980 to 2013, obese population increased from 857 million to 2.1 billion, in which half of these numbers originate from these 10 countries, the US, Russia, Brazil, China, Mexico, Indonesia, Germany, Pakistan, and Egypt. Well, finally, for the 5th one, Fox A, Fang W, and Asal V states that obesity is affected by economy, development, urbanization, and cheap fast foods.
The main objective of this study is to observe the severity of the obesity rate worldwide via analyzing the available obesity data sources. The data source we found relevant to our research is the data tables of both adult, children, overweight, and obesity from the World Obesity website. The method that we use in our report are data cleaning, exploratory data analysis by using bar chart, and the statistical methods are normal distribution and linear regression. For the normal distribution, we are using box plot and histogram. During the data cleaning process, we filter out the data in order to get the data that we will use. We filter out the BMI, population, the mortality rate, and health problem rate. The data that we conclude are age group, yes, and percentage of people, percentage of obesity, gender, and country. The total observations used are 191 observations. For the exploratory data analysis, we decided to present our data by using bar charts and regression analysis as our methods to evaluate the relationships between the data and have a greater visual representation of the performance. The bar chart below shows the number of obesity rates worldwide by age group in 2000 and 2016 years. For the normal distribution, we use histogram and box plot to investigate the obesity rate from all countries for gender and age. We observe from the histogram and box plots. The distribution of the data is skewed as noted by the box plot of both 2016 and 2022. This proves that it is skewed should be noted by the black line representing the median. It is slightly higher than middle of the box.
Thank you, Brian, for his part. So I'll be talking about my part for the rest of the presentation, which are the results and the limitation of our research. So as we can see in this graph, that shows that the results of linear regression has been increasing since 2016 to 2022, and the results of EDA shows that percentage of children has been increased from 3.9% to 9% in the year 2016, and the adult has also been increasing since 8.7% to 13.1%. For the normal distribution of our research, it shows that both 2016 and 2022 display a skewed distribution than normal, and the mean of 2016 is from 19.7 has been increased to 20.12. So it shows that it increased a lot. So in our linear regression shows that year 2016 and 2022 has been consistently stayed in a high rate. Shows that obesity rate are going high between 2016 and 2022. And for limitations of our study is there are still a lot missing data we couldn't collect from the web. So in future study, we hope that we can collect missing data from those countries so that we can do a more complete data set to analyze. And for the conclusion of our research, we hope that our research will shed some light on the issue, and we also can explore different statistics methods, and the results of our research, it could increase awareness for people that are having obesity rate. Thank you.